Technologies like automation, robotics, AI and ML assure an unprecedented uphaul in the manufacturing sector and require the rocket fuel to take off, to design and utilize machines that complete tasks to perfection, take away manual errors as well as the challenges of manual labor. Airtel 5G will serve as the lifeline of tomorrow's smart factory, unleashing rapid and sustained improvements in quality, safety and profitability.
Here we are talking about the industry automation, Industry 4.0, where we are trying to automate the industry. The use case which we are showing is how a workforce can help to get the inventory from the warehouse with the help of the robots. Here the guy will give instruction to the robot, will come here, take the instruction, go to the warehouse and take the inventory, come back to the original position. During this entire process, the ERP or SAP application will automatically update it and the inventory get updated. It will help the customer to increase the productivity, also to reduce the TAT. There is another use case which is a kind of smart supervisor which will move around the floor, can give instruction from the remote location and can fix the bug. Also it can go to the locations where there is a probability that danger to the human life, right? It can go there and it can give a live feed. So that is something which we can do with this Airtel 5G network.
Airtel 5G powered exchange of real-time data and AI-powered insights will make man-machine collaboration smoother than ever. We can expect huge reductions in errors and wastage of resources, insane production efficiency and a happier planet. A new era begins with Airtel 5G upholding Airtel's commitment to help India race to its highest potential.